Right, all mine are here. I've been sent some kit out from Wisdom cap lamps. Tommy sent me a new light to try, the Pharos 7, so I'm going to do a bit of an unboxing and let you guys see what it's like. This box actually arrived yesterday. Inside we have the Pharos 7 safety light, which either used on a bicycle or helmet. The picture there is depicted on the back of a helmet, which is a good idea. Just shows people where you are. And that's the packaging it comes in. So look what's come in the box. Get it out of the box. So in here we have sticker. We have charging cable. And also this is a US plug, but they have sent me out a UK plug as a charger. This is the Pharos 7, which is safety light. As you can see, lights up red, and obviously quite bright as well. Can be used on a helmet or a bicycle. And also in here there is a headband or a band that will fasten it to a helmet, which I'm going to do, put it on, try it out and see what it's like. There you go, fitted to my helmet. There's various modes. So you've got like a single flash mode, stops on, off, like a strobe effect, and I think if you double click it, off again. Brilliant idea, ideal for safety underground, at least people see where you are. Also, the light will also flash with the SOS display. If you can see there, ... dash. Just hold the button in for 2 seconds when you first turn it on, and it will give the SOS signal, which is a brilliant idea. Really pleased with this. Can't wait to try it out. Now, the charging time for this unit is about 9 hours, but it will give you around about 50 hours of runtime, which is absolutely brilliant. I'm really pleased with this. They've also sent me out a silicone cover for my cat lamp 4, so we'll get that out and we'll have a look at that. So this is my cat lamp 4. I use this all the time for underground exploration. It is absolutely fantastic. The runtime on this light is phenomenal. I had the best part of 7 hours underground the other week, and it literally used 1 bar of the power, which there is 3 bars. It's brilliant. It'll last hours and it gives a really good light. So the guys at Wisdom have also sent me out a silicone cover for it, which is this, and this is basically to protect it. Camouflage, which is quite cool. Yeah, we'll put it on and we'll see what it looks like on the helmet. So there it is, fitted to my cat lamp. It's rather cool. We'll put it onto the helmet and see what it looks like. So there it is, fitted to the cat lamp fitted to my helmet. Excuse the helmet, rather mucky from my last explore. And the Pharos 7 on the back. Let's light them both up. Let's see what we go. Cat lamp 4A at the front, which, like I say, is absolutely phenomenal. With its camouflage cover on. Pharos 7 at the back. It's an ideal safety light. Turn it on. That's the battery test. As you can see, it's on 4 bar. Just hold it in for a second. Hold it in for 2 seconds and that's the SOS signal. Fantastic. Thank you Tommy at Wisdom for sending me the Pharos 7 and the cover for my cap lamp. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you guys. I really appreciate everything that you've done for me. And hope you like this video.